Hey, it's Miss Daniel from Green Valley. Say Piccadilly with me. Here we go. Travel on Piccadilly Circle. Travel on Piccadilly Square. Piccadilly, Piccadilly, travel on the Piccadilly, travel on the Piccadilly, here to there. With the steady beat, ready begin. Travel on Piccadilly Circle. Travel on Piccadilly Square. Piccadilly, Piccadilly, travel on the Piccadilly, travel on the Piccadilly, here to there. I have the rhythm of the hand drive written down here. Ta, ta, dee, ta, ta. I have some repeat signs here. I have some beat lines to remind us that music loves the number 4 and there's 4 beats in this pattern. So let's get our hand drive going. Ready, here we go. Pat, clap, clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, clap, pat. Keep going. Ready? Here you go. Travel on Piccadilly Circle. Travel on Piccadilly Square. Piccadilly, Piccadilly, travel on the Piccadilly, travel on the Piccadilly, here to there. All right, so you've been learning about a new kind of note, 16th notes. While we're learning about 16th notes, I wanted to tell you a little bit about a note that you already know really well, the 8th note. So we can have 8th notes by themselves. When they're by themselves, they look like this. When we put them together, they look like this. This is probably the way you're most familiar. Oops, I forgot to turn this around. I'll tell you about that in a second. So you're probably most familiar with seeing them like this. So I want to tell you a little bit about parts of a note. This part of the note right here is called the note head. This part of the note right here is called the stem. And then this part is called the flag. Now, when we group 8th notes into a pair, 2 8th notes, one right after the other, we don't use flags, we beam them together. So these 8th notes, here's the note head, stem, here's another stem, and we connect them together with a beam. We can have stems going up like you see here. We can also have stems that go down, and so here I go. I'm going to turn it around because I'm fancy. And there is stems down. These are still 8th notes. These are still toddies. 16th notes work the same way. Here's the note head. Here is the stem. Look how many flags a 16th note has. And then come look at how many beams it has. So here is how we will usually see 16th notes. We will usually see them in groups of 4. And when we do, there will be 2 beams. There can't just be 1 beam. 1 beam would be 8th notes. 2 beams is 16th notes. We can have stems up or stems down in 16th notes as well. You have learned with Miss Nipper that when we read 16th notes, we read them as takadimi. So let's try a few patterns together. I'll go first, you go second. My pattern will have 4 beats, of course. I'll go first, you go second. Ta-di ta, takadimi ta. Takadimi, takadimi, ta-di ta. Ta, ta, takadimi ta. Takadimi, takadimi, takadimi ta. Here are all of the rhythms in Piccadilly. I have 4 phrases here. Piccadilly has 4 phrases. A phrase is a musical sentence. So here's phrase 1, phrase 2, phrase 3, and phrase 4. And all of these phrases, of course, have 4 beats. Music loves the number 4. So listen to me as I read these rhythms for Piccadilly. Just listen and think. Here I go. Ta-di ta, takadimi ta-di. Ta-di ta, takadimi ta. Takadimi, 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 ta-di ta. All right, can you do it with me? And let's go ahead and add our beat just because it's good for us. All right, you do the beat. I'm going to do the pointing. Ready to read it with me. Ta-di ta, takadimi ta-di. Ta-di ta, takadimi ta. Takadimi, 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 ta-di ta. As a musician, it's important to realize that notes can feel different ways depending on what's around those notes. Sometimes quarter notes can feel quick if it's surrounded by longer notes like half notes or whole notes. Sometimes quarter notes can feel slower if you've surrounded them with notes like 16th notes and 8th notes. So back when I first taught you Piccadilly, I told you, pay attention anytime Mrs. Daniel changes the color of a word. It means I want you to pay attention to those words. So look at this first phrase, travel on Piccadilly Circle. What note in our rhythm here on this first phrase would be the red word on? It would be the quarter note. Now, I'm about to get out a pen. Let's see if I can do it. Ooh. Okay, here goes. This is the red word on. So look at all the notes that are surrounding it. There's lots of short notes here, 8th notes and 16th notes. So this quarter note is going to feel a little longer, a little stretched out. Check this out. Travel on Piccadilly Square. That one is also going to feel a little longer. Now, on my last phrase here, travel on the Piccadilly here to there. I put these words in pink, and here they are right here. So look at what comes before this 8th note and that quarter note. This whole bunch of 16th notes. You're just really going to be going ta-ka-dee-me, all sorts of notes. And then you have ta-dee-ta. So be sure that when you get there that you don't rush through ta-dee-ta, because we have to keep our beat steady through the whole thing. So let's try it. So now do your beat and think about how you are using your quarter notes and 8th notes in this chant. Ready? Read with me. Ta-dee-ta, taka-dee-me-ta-dee, ta-dee-ta, taka-dee-me-ta, taka-dee-me, 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 ta-dee-ta. Woo! I had so many taka-dee-me's, I almost messed that up. Okay, for the ultimate challenge, let's see if you can do the hand jive and read it at the same time. Woo. Okay, here goes. I'm going to try it too. So let's get our hand jive going. Ready? Here we go. Pat, clap, clap, pat, clap. Keep going. Ready, begin. Ta-dee-ta, taka-dee-me-ta-dee, ta-dee-ta, taka-dee-me-ta. Taka-dee-me, 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 ta-dee-ta.